Prepare yourselves, people of Canada. Prepare yourselves. Jesus Christ is coming down for a unique divine visitation in Canada. From September 24th to 26th, 2026, the Prayer and Deliverance Army Church in Jesus Christ is organizing in Quebec City, Canada, a great testimony seminar with Pastor Jhigai Christian, former God, former king, and former leader of all satanists, freemasons, and illuminati in the world. He was also the leader of all demons and fallen angels, ruler of the second heaven. He was previously possessed by the seven-headed dragon mentioned in the Bible in Revelation chapter 12 by the ancient serpent, and was also a master of red, white, and black magic. He stood in for the devil, and all 24 elders of Satan bowed before him. He replaced Satan in his duties. Certain presidents of republics and great artists of the world came to sign pacts with him. Today, Jesus Christ has given him new hope and is writing a new page in his life. He was delivered by the powerful and glorious hand of the Lord Jesus Christ at the Prayer and Deliverance Army Church in Jesus Christ. This great seminar is held under the theme, Jesus Christ, the God of True Deliverance. Program, Thursday, September 24th and Friday, September 25th, 2026. From 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. Quebec time, a vigil of prayer, testimony, teaching, and deliverance. Saturday, September 26th, 2026. The climax, from 3 p.m. to 10 p.m. A great intense vigil of testimonies, deliverance, demonstration of power, and teaching. 3 days of fire, 3 days of intense prayer, 3 days of deliverance, healing, and restoration. People of Quebec and surrounding cities, listen carefully. If your life is marked by blockages of all kinds, family curses,
you will never succeed,
repeated failures, spiritual suffering, or invisible battles, this invitation is for you. Do you feel spiritually oppressed? Is your life blocked despite your efforts? Do you suffer from so-called incurable diseases, depression, infertility, or emotional trauma? Are you experiencing prolonged singlehood, unemployment, addiction, or prostitution? Are you a victim of witchcraft, genies, spirit spouses, or spirit husbands, recurring nightmares? Perhaps you are involved in occultism, satanism, Freemasonry, mystical practices, maraboutage, fetishism, or fortune-telling. And today, you want to be delivered from it and change your life forever. No matter how deep your battle, Jesus Christ remains the solution. Jesus Christ is the God of true deliverance. Come and receive your deliverance, healing, and total restoration free of charge. Main speakers, Prophetess Tabitha Connor, head of the APD Canada Churches and the APD Canada Army of Prophetesses, interventions from other servants of God, the powerful testimony of Pastor Jhigai Christian, and many other testimonies. With the participation of churches from France, Germany, Belgium, Switzerland, Norway, England, America, and Asia. Info and address, 615 Boulevard Pierre Bertrand, Suite 340. Contact
1-418-998-3639 and 1-418-576-3790.
An army of prayer is rising in Canada. Do not stay alone with your burden. Come, Jesus Christ is waiting to set you free. Heaven is coming down on Quebec. Admission is free, but God's grace is limitless. Canada, the chains will fall, the captives will be set free, and Jesus Christ will be glorified. The Prayer and Deliverance Army Church in Jesus Christ, a spiritual army that God uses powerfully to destroy the works of the devil and set the captives free.